I'm Charlie Simons and I'm a director of AMPDigital and we are a film and media digital marketing agency. After moving back to Wales from being in London, I really wanted to become more involved with local businesses and to enjoy the environment that I lived in at the same time. And becoming a film company or launching a film company seemed a rather good and a novel way of doing that. So I could combine my skill sets that I had with living in an absolutely beautiful place. So I was at university in Cardi in Aberystwyth many moons ago. And when I came back to Wales, this is where I settled. Cardi is without a shadow of a doubt one of the most picturesque counties and areas in the whole of Wales, in my opinion. And I think that it's got a vibrant business community. It's got a fantastic tourism-based community as well, so it seemed a natural fit. I think really when we started it, which is about 7-8 years ago, the biggest challenge was convincing companies and businesses in Ceredigion to embrace film. And I think many businesses around here were quite surprised about that to begin with. But now nearly every business within Aberystwyth uses film in one form or another, which is great for us. Landscape's amazing. So, in the same way that the landscape offers opportunities for tourism-based businesses in particular, that in turn gives us opportunities to expand our business into, as we have done, aerial photography. So we produce high quality aerial footage for TV broadcast programs and also for small B&Bs or even campsites. The opportunities are huge, you just have to look for them. It feels like you're in control of your own destiny. So really it is, what you put into your business, you're going to get out of it. But you know that what you're getting out of it is building something you've created. It's not necessarily lining the pockets of somebody else, but it might be bringing value to, if you employ somebody, you're creating a job. And that's a wonderful feeling, because you're putting money into somebody else's pocket who might not have a job in Ceredigion. If you find something that you love, then you're never going to have to work again. You'll be doing anything. But if you love that particular type of work, then it doesn't seem like work. And that's the biggest single piece of advice I would ever give to a young person, is just find something you love doing and you'll never have to work again.